Welcome to 2017 paper 2. The question under matrix came on question 1A again. Then the question says, given that matrix M equals 3, -2, 5x. In question 1, we are asked to find the value of x. So the determinant is given again. Find the value of x for which the determinant of m is 22. So in this question, the determinant is 22. So we're going to follow the same steps we followed in the previous question. If you want, you can pause the video, try to solve this question following the steps we did in the first question. Okay, so we have determinant of a equals 3 times x minus -2 times 5. So the determinant is given is 22 equals 3x times x will give us 3x, then minus -2 times 5 is -10. Okay, so we have 22 equals 3x, negative times negative will give us +10. We have an equation. Again, integers and equations are involved in this question. Okay, so dealing with that equation, we can move everything where we have 3x plus 10 equals 22. Okay, then collecting like terms, we'll have 3x equals 22 minus 10. So you can introduce the additive inverse. The additive inverse of +10 is -10. So if you add -10 to both sides, here 10 will be eliminated, then the other side will remain with something like that. Oh yeah, so 3x is equal to 22 minus 10 will leave us with +12. Okay, so the coefficient of x should be 1, and for us to have that, we need to divide both sides by 3. So 3x divided by 3, then 12 divided by 3. 3 into 3 is 1. 1 times x is x equals 3 into 12 is 4. So the value of x in this matrix is 4. So the matrix is supposed to be 3, -2, 5, and positive 4, like that. Then moving on to question 2, where we need to find the inverse of m. Again, inverse of m is 1 over determinant of m times adjoint of m. Okay, so we are simply doing the same things that we're from doing in the other question. Okay, so 1 over determinant of this matrix is 22. Please don't use 4. 4 is the value of x. I'm emphasizing on this one because I've seen it with a lot of students. I don't know if they get confused or they forget. Okay, when they're asked to find the value of x, when it comes to finding the inverse, they use the value of x instead of the determinant which was given in the question. So do not use 4, use 22. Then times adjoint of m. So matrix M is 3, -2, 5, and 4. The adjoint will be, we swap these, so we'll have 4 there, then 3 there, then -1 times -2 giving us +2, -1 times +5 giving us -5. So that's our adjoint. Then we multiply 1 over 2 by everything in the adjoint of m. So we'll have 1 times 4 over 22, 2 over 22, -5 over 22, 3 over 22. Okay, some of this can be simplified. So 2 can go into 4 2 times, and into 22 11 times. 2 into 2 is 1, then into 22 11 times. These okay, they're not improper fractions, so they can be left like this. Okay, so this is the inverse of matrix M. Moving on to 2018. So I only managed to access 2018 GCE. Okay, so in 2018, a question under matrices came, again it was on question 1A. Okay, so this time we're dealing with matrix A. Given that matrix A equals 2x, 2, 3, and x. So given that matrix A equals that, question 1, find the positive value of x for which the determinant of A is 12. So we are told to find the positive value of x for which the determinant of A is 12. Okay, so value of x, again, you can pause the video, try to follow the steps in the previous questions. Value of x. Okay, so we are using the same formula. Determinant equals, this time we're multiplying 2x with x, elements in the major diagonal, then minus 2 times 3 elements in the minor diagonal. Don't make a mistake of multiplying elements in the same row. It's the diagonals that we deal with. Okay, so the determinant is 12. Then 2x times x will give us 2x squared minus 2 times 3 is 6. So looking at this, you can tell that we are not dealing with a linear equation but a quadratic equation, because this x is raised to the power 2. Okay, so again I can swap everything or move everything. So we have 2x squared minus 6 equals 12. Please don't forget, I'm not changing the sign because I've moved everything. If I moved the terms one by one, then I was going to say negative 2x squared, and there negative 6 minus 12. Okay, but I've moved everything. I've simply swapped, so that will not affect the signs. Okay, next step, that's when I'll deal with signs now, because I'll need to introduce the additive inverse or simply move that 6. Okay, so collecting the like terms, I'll have 2x squared equals 12. So this comes this side and becomes 6. The additive inverse of negative 6 is positive 6. When you add it here, it will eliminate this one, you remain with 0. Then it will be like that the other side. Okay, so we'll have 2x squared equals 12 plus 6 is 18. Get rid of that 2 by dividing both sides by 2. We'll have x squared divided by 2 equals 18 divided by 2. 2x squared divided by 2, then 18 divided by 2. So 2 into 2 is 1. 1 times x squared will give us x squared equals 2 into 18 is 9. Do we end here? No. We cannot end here because this variable is raised to the power which is more than 1. So we need to get rid of that square, and we do that by introducing the square root. What we do on the left side, we do on the right side. So square root of x squared is equal to plus or minus square root of 9. Okay, so we use this because the number you have here, whether it's positive or negative, when you square it, the answer will still be the same. Okay, next we can get rid of this square with the square root. So square and square root cancel, remain with x, and that's what we wanted. Then equals plus or minus square root of 9 is 3. You can use your calculator, or this is a perfect square. It's a non-perfect square. There's no need for you to even start wasting time going to a calculator. So the square root of 9 is 3. In short, the 3 times 3 will give you 9. Yes. Okay, so we are told that x is equal to positive 3 and x is also equal to negative 3. Now when you go back to the question says find the value of x for which the sorry, I went to 2017. 2018 question 1 says find the positive value. Okay, so the positive value here is positive 3. So forget about this one. What they want is positive 3. So matrix A is 2 times 3, then we have 2, 3, then 3 there. So matrix A is 6, 2, 3, 3. Okay. Going to the second question. We are told to find hence or otherwise write inverse of A. Okay, so 2018 question 1A2 says hence or otherwise write inverse of A. Okay, so here the inverse we already know it's 1 over determinant of A times adjoint of A. The determinant is given, it's 12. Okay, then times adjoint, simply swap there. The elements in the major diagonal are swapped, then the signs of the elements in the minor diagonal are changed from positive to negative. When we multiply, we'll have 1 times 3, 3 over 12, negative 2 over 12, negative 3 over 12, and 6 over 12. Okay, can this be reduced? Yes. 3 can go 3 into 3 once, into 12 4 times. Negative 2 into 2 into negative 2, there we have negative 1. Then into 12 we have 6. Negative 3,